72 sects. The Prophet ﷺ said they will go to hellfire. They will enter hellfire. But will they remain in hellfire forever? Is there eternal punishment for them? For deviant sects? Mujaddid al-Fasani rahimahullah, Shaykh Abdul Haq Muhaddis Dehlvi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh, Imam Bayhaqi in Kitab al-I'tiqad, and many other ulama of the ummah of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, they say that these 72 sects will not remain in hellfire forever, provided that they are only mubtadi'un, they are bid'ati. But if their bid'ah reaches haddul kufr, meaning if they deny things which are known with necessity in Islam, daruriyat of deen, things which are ma'lum min ad-deen bid-darura, then within that sect, bid'ati sect, within that group of people of bid'ah, then they will reach the daraja of kufr. They will remain in hellfire forever. But you cannot generalize that every other sect other than Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah will remain in hellfire forever. A very important point.